Yeah, I have promised you that we will discuss our last material about the during and while. I feel bad because some of you hasn't got the big idea. Maybe I'm so sorry. Maybe uh I need to make my slides clearer or my explanation clearer. So today we will discuss a little bit about the material so that you know for real and sharply what is the difference between during and while. Yeah. Okay, shall we? Oh wait, I need to check the attendance first. Is Muhaimin here?
Yes,
Muhaimin.
Miss.
Okay, Muhaimin is here. Nabil?
Zoom daw.
Yes, Miss.
Nabil is here. Rizka, is Rizka here?
Here, Miss.
Okay, Wahyu Fauzan?
Yes, Miss.
Yep. Why? Sounds like that. Okay, Anasia? Not yet. Yeah. Ansharullah? Anshai?
I'm here, Miss.
Okay.
Yes.
Zaini? Zaini not.
Here, Miss.
Oh,
Present.
okay. Rizkia Ardana?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Rizkia, thank you. Anisa Nurrahmah is here.
Present, Miss.
Thank you. Nabila, you too.
Present, Miss.
Okay, Faisal, have you seen Faisal?
Present, Miss.
Oh, Faisal is here. Okay, Samuel. Thank you, Faisal. Samuel. There's no Samuel. Did you see Samuel yesterday, guys?
No, no.
No, yeah, I didn't see him either. Lily, my leader. Lily is here. Sandi Puspita Anggraini.
Present, Miss.
Sandi is there. Anita. Did you see Anita? Not yet. Okay, Anita, not yet. Okay, guys, let's see. Yesterday we have this. Yeah, don't forget the rule. And yep. Rizka, please read this question, Rizka, and I want you to answer.
How was your sleep during the night?
How was your sleep during the night? Last night? Is it great or not that great, Miss? I still feel dizzy after sleeping, for example.
Not bad, Miss.
Not that great. What happened? Why? Do you know why? Do you stay late at night?
No.
No. What time did you go to sleep?
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. Okay. Yeah, if it's not a good sleep, sometimes when you wake up, make you feel dizzy. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Anyone want to share how was your sleep during the night?
Not really good, Miss.
Not really good. You know why? What?
Because I have a nightmare.
Oh my God. What is that?
I cannot thought this.
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah. Yeah, nightmare can ruin your rest. Okay, thank you. Now, let's see. Zaini, Muhammad Zaini. Please
Yes,
read the
Miss.
question and try to answer this.
What were you doing while you were waiting for the class? What I do before this class, I just on my bed. I'm just take lazy for one day because today, from yesterday, that feel like cold.
Mm-hmm.
Cold last night, I feel cold until this morning. So this afternoon, still cold here, miss.
Oh, the
So,
weather. The weather
yeah.
is cold.
So I just play my phone and reading some article, yeah,
Ooh,
about
oh
US politics.
my God. That's pretty difficult topic. Okay, yeah. So, yeah, because we also have this cold weather. It's cloudy all day, since yesterday, and yeah, it affect a little bit our motivation sometimes, right?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, because it's cozy, it's a good time to put yourself under the pillow, under the blanket, it's like a
Agree.
perfect occasion. Agree. Okay. Okay, let's see. We have what I want to highlight in this two question is this. The use of during and while you can see directly right in front of your eyes, right? After during, what you need after during, it is a
Noun.
noun. Yep. We need a noun after during, while. After while, what do we need?
Where?
Yep.
Subject.
Subject plus verb
Yep.
to be verb ing.
Subject to be plus
Ing.
verb ing. You can also sometimes just erase this while waiting. You can say that too. But you put some activity here. Okay, by the way, that's about the very clear differences. I want you to try to answer this. Muhaimin, I want you to type on the screen. Can you do that? Typing on the screen, I will allow multiple participants. Yep. Muhaimin number 1, Nabil number 2, Rizka number 3, Fauzan number 4, Anchai number 5. Can you type, guys, on the screen? I want you to
Yes,
write
miss.
the answer here. What do you think? Is it while or during, based on the very clear differences in the previous sentence? Zaini number 6. And Rizkia, can you do number 7? Can you type? Let me know if you cannot type on the screen, guys.
I can type on the screen, Miss, but I can type in chat box.
Okay, chat box. Information. Can share, not share. Okay then. Yeah, what is? Okay, Lily. Okay, great. Thank you, Haimin. Yep, that's number 1. During the last weekend. What do you think, number 1? Is it correct? True or false?
Yes,
Yes,
correct.
that's correct because the last weekend is
Noun.
a noun. Great job. How about number 2? Nabil, can you type it, Nabil?
Will.
Okay, will?
Will.
Will or while?
While.
While. Okay, let's see. George wanted to learn as much as possible about the local tradition while he stay in Vietnam. What is his stay?
Oh, his stay.
False.
Okay, it.
Because during.
Mhm.
I think during because noun. His stay is noun.
Yep, his stay is a noun. Yep, that's correct. So what's proper for this is during. Okay, that's great. How about number 3? Rizka,
While.
while. What come after while here?
Subject plus verb. We are waiting.
Yeah, indeed. Yep. We need while in number 3 and number 4. How about number 4? Ojan, Ojan. Ojan, can you type on the screen? Oh, Ojan is typing. Okay, during I was away on holiday. How about that? What come after this? I was away on
I was
holiday.
on holiday.
Is that a
Saat saya
noun?
pergi noun.
I was away. Is that a noun?
I think while.
Yeah, I was
Oh, while ya.
away.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Subject plus verb to.
Yeah, subject and then to be.
Okay, thank you, Miss Handi.
Okay, yep, that's correct. So number 4 is while. How about number 5 just now? Anchai. Anchai, can you type?
During, Miss.
During. Ah, yeah,
I
during.
went to the toilet 3 times during the night.
Okay, during the night. Yep, that's what
During.
during the night. That's also our previous
Conjuring.
question. Conjuring. Oh my God, Conjuring. You like horror. Okay, how about number 6 just now? Zaini. While I was dining.
Why?
Okay, why it is while?
I don't know. Yeah, maybe.
Okay, let's see. Is it noun after the preposition?
No.
No, it's not a noun, right?
Subject in dining. Dining is
Subject plus verb ing.
Yes, subject to be verb ing. So you need while. That's correct. What does it
While.
mean number 6? The meaning in bahasa Indonesia?
Aku
Saya
melihat
melihat
dia bersama wanita cantik.
And then while I was dining in restaurant. Continue the sentence.
Intinya Sarancai. Help me.
Lah.
Aku sedang makan malam di
Oke.
restoran.
Iya, ketika saya makan malam di restoran.
Yeah, I saw him with some beautiful girl ketika saya sedang makan di restoran. Okay, that's great. Thank you, Jenny. Rizkia. Rizkia number 7, Rizkia.
While, Miss.
While. Why it is while?
Because was in is a verb.
Okay, good. Although we don't have I here, but Kaila here act as a subject, right? Kaila, subject, and then there is verb. Oh, Samuel is here. So as long as you have subject, verb, so it's like you create new sentence, it means you need while, okay? That's great. Thank you. Number 8, it will be Anissa Nurrahmah.
I completely forget what the reason for the quarrel was while you were avoiding me.
Okay, what is that? What is the answer?
Saya while, Miss.
While, okay. What is in bahasa Indonesia is the number 8?
Saya benar-benar lupa alasan untuk quarrel in bahasa.
Oh, quarrel, quarrel.
Gelut, pertengkaran.
Yeah.
Aku benar-benar lupa alasan dari pertengkaran ketika kamu menghindariku.
Okay, that's great. The reason for the quarrel was while you were avoiding me. Okay, that's great. That's correct. I completely forgot the reason for the quarrel. The reason for gelut, that's gelut is physical. Yeah, was while you are avoiding me. So far, so good. That's all of your answer are correct. Yep. Let's see. Number 7. What is the meaning number 7 right now? Who answer number 7? Rizky ya?
Mereka menyelesaikan proyeknya ketika Kayla di rumah sakit.
Okay. What is the answer
Ketika
again?
di rumah sakit. While.
While Kayla is in the hospital. Yep, that's correct. So, do you think you get a little bit clearer idea on when to use during and while, guys?
Yes,
Miss,
Yes.
I
Yes,
have
Miss.
Yes.
question.
Is there any question?
Miss.
Okay, who is that?
Does it
Zach, yeah?
so it mean we use while is not always for present continuous or past continuous tense. Is it right, Miss?
Yes. It's not always.
Oh,
Not always.
okay, Miss.
Okay.
Copy.
Because when you don't use while, if you use during, it's grammatically wrong. You cannot say what has changed here during I was away. It doesn't really correct grammatically. Yeah. So, yep. Doesn't need to be verb ing all the time. Okay, it's a good question, Anissa. Thank you very much. Okay, let's move on, guys. Today we have different material and it's all about what is this? The name of
Preposition.
preposition. Good job. We have preposition. And what usually come after preposition? In blah blah blah. What is that?
Adverb maybe?
Yeah?
Adverb maybe?
Adverb on adverb yeah. On quickly.
On place.
What do we usually use after in? What word usually come after in?
In the
Now.
morning,
In the morning. Okay, great. It means
the
in the night. It means time,
Time.
right?
place,
Place. Okay, yep. We can also put some place here.
Subject plus verb.
Subject plus verb. Yeah, so we can use place. Like for example, what is the example? In and then place.
at the station,
At the
I live
station.
in a garden,
In a garden. Yep,
hospital,
that's correct.
In
In
bed.
hospital.
in
In
the city
bed.
center,
In the
On
city
bed.
center. On bed. Nah, that's
at the bus stop,
at the bus stop. That's correct. Nah, the problem
On chair,
is
on
on
table.
chair, on table. Sometimes we say in the bed or on the bed. What is the difference?
On miss. If in, so it's mean
No,
I'm inside
no.
the bed.
No, I
Miss.
think in if we use a blanket and on just meletakkan example book on the box and we sleep in bed.
Okay, yeah,
I think maybe.
yeah, okay, that's a good explanation. That
Ooh,
makes
thank you.
sense, right? Yeah, therefore, today we will discuss a little bit about the different when we use in, when we usually use on, with what, okay? And we have 3 units today, but don't worry, it's pretty easy, I guess. It's not complicated. Let's see. So this is the basic understanding, the basic use of in. We use in for, what is this? Number 1.
Inside.
Inside. If the place is 3 dimension, so there is room. Mhm. Room in a shop. Please read, Ozan. What is it?
In a room,
Mhm.
in a shop, in a car, in the water,
In the water. Because if you are
in the
in the
water.
water, yeah,
No.
in the water.
The
Oh,
British accent. In the
oh,
water.
in the water. In the water. It means you really are surrounded by the water, right? In the water, in the car. Car
He
also
told
like
me
3
I'm
dimensions.
on water.
Lah, that's not British.
Dia itu.
Indian, Miss. Indian, Miss.
Indian. Please give me some water. Indian live in British, so like that. Yeah. So basically, it is in 3 dimension. We are inside of this thing, yeah, or place. Or it can also this dimension. Like, what is this? Please read,
Outside.
Paisang.
In a garden,
Mm-hmm.
town, in the city center, in
Mm-hmm.
Brazil.
In Brazil. Oops. So yeah, basically we can also use in if we are in this one surface or big area of something. It can be city, garden, town, Brazil. What is town, guys?
In my car, at my home.
Kota.
Wait, not yet. Home. In English we have differences between home and house.
House is for physic building.
Yep, building. House is a building, but home is different. We will talk about home later, okay? But the one that shows 3 dimension, is it home or house?
House, miss.
House, yeah. So you can say in the house. That's correct. In the house. Blackpink in the area. Oh no, that's in the area. In the house. And it's also for room, like please read Anita.
Yes, miss.
Yeah, please read the example here, Anita. The
Number 1.
sentences. Yeah.
Where's David?
Mhm.
In the kitchen. In the garden. In the London.
Okay, in London.
Yeah.
Number 2.
Number 2. What in that book? In that bag. In that cupboard.
Yeah, what's in that box, in that bag, or in that cupboard? What does it mean? What's in that box?
Di dalam di dalam kotak.
Yeah, what's?
Apa di dalam kotak?
Yeah, ada apa di dalam kotak?
Ada apa
Or
dalam kotak?
in that book?
In that apa di dalam tas?
One more?
Ada apa di dalam cupboard nih? Aku lupa, Miss. I remember.
Okay.
I forget.
Cupboard.
Cupboard.
What is cupboard?
Lemari.
Lemari.
Yeah, lemari where you put your cup. Lemari,
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
Where you
Sorry.
put your cup. No, it's not sorry. Cup. It's
Cupboard.
yeah. What is cup, guys?
Cup.
Gelas.
Gelas.
Yep. Do you have this cupboard, guys, where your mom put a lot of cup inside, so it's become beautiful? Yes, right.
Yes, miss.
Yeah, therefore it's cupboard. so that we can display the cup, beautiful cup. Yeah, mothers love to do that.
Tupperware, Miss.
Tupperware. Oh, Tupperware. Tupperware, yeah. See, we have a lot of Tupperware here. Sometimes, yeah, it's make you feel happy. Okay, now thank you, Anita. Samuel,
Okay.
I want to ask Samuel. Where is Samuel?
Yes, Miss.
Samuel, please read number 3. You just joined the class, right? What
Yeah.
happened yesterday? Wait, I haven't heard any.
Yesterday I have a class, Miss,
Oh, you have a class?
in university.
Okay. Wait, is there Ahmad Anasutoyibin and Ahmad Fadilah? No, yeah. Okay then. Okay, let's continue. Shoot, Samuel, number 3.
Rachel worked in a shop, in a bank, in a factory.
What does it mean, Rachel? Rachel?
Rahel bekerja di sebuah toko, di
Mhm.
sebuah bank, di sebuah pabrik.
Bank. Satu lagi, one more. In a
Pabrik.
factory. Pabrik. Okay.
Pabrik.
Okay. Rachel works in a shop, or in a bank, or in a factory. Yep, that's correct.
Karawang Factory, Miss.
Karawang factory. Factory is not only in Karawang. In Sukabumi, there are a lot of factories now. Oh my God. It's become bad pollution. Karawang Cikarang. Okay, thank you. So, in a shop, in a bank, in a factory, yeah, because it like 3 dimension, the room. And Sandy, please read the next sentence, Sandy.
Went for a swim in the river, in the pool, or in the sea.
Okay.
Saya ingin pergi berenang di sungai, di kolam renang, dan di laut.
Okay. Is that saya mau pergi atau saya pergi berenang?
Saya mau pergi. Saya pergi untuk berenang.
Okay. Yep, we have went here from the word.
Saya sudah pergi.
Ya,
Okay.
when verb itu berarti saya sudah pergi berenang di sungai, di
Yeah.
kolam renang, di laut.
Okay. Yep. I went dari kata go ya, but it is in the past. It's you tell story in the past. In the past, I went for a swim. Saya pergi. We don't say sudah pergi because if you say sudah, it means it's a perfect. Saya sudah pergi ke London. I have been. Nanti it's different structure ya. If it's just verb to, you can just say saya pergi. And then provide the time. Saya pergi berenang di laut minggu lalu, for example, last week. So, yep, it's obvious it is something happened in the past. Saya pergi berenang di sungai, the pool, that pool,
Kolam renang,
kolam renang, and in the sea,
laut, di laut.
laut. Have you ever swim in the sea, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
I have, Miss.
No.
I have.
Yes.
Who's that?
Snorkeling.
Oh, Sandy. And
Yes.
is it the shallow one or the deep one?
No deep. No deep. Just look.
Okay, shallow. In the shallow. What is shallow?
Sendal.
That's swallow.
Oh, jangan.
Swallow, Jan. Swallow. Swallow, Jan. Swallow.
Swallow. That's swallow.
Sorry.
Aduh. Okay, so shallow, yeah. Yeah, because I just try swimming in the sea last?
Swallow is dangkal, Miss.
Yeah, dangkal. Last week I tried to swim in the sea, but it's not that shallow. It's like here. It's so salty. But yeah, it's great to swimming in the sea. Okay, thank you. We have two more, but let's just read. Lily, please, Lily, read.
Milan. Okay. Milan is in the north of Italy. Naples is in the south.
Yeah, Naples is in the south. In Milan, in the north of Italy, Naples in the south. Which concept do we have? In North Italy, is it concept number 1, 3D, or concept number 2?
Number 2.
Number 2. Yep, that's great because talk about an area, a location.
Place.
Okay, it's a place. Yep, that's correct. How about the last one? I want to ask Bila. Nah,
Bella.
I live in a big city, but I'd like to live in the country.
Okay, I live in a big city. Which concept is this? 1 or 2?
2, I guess.
2, because location, place, city, town. Yeah. That's the big idea, guys. Yeah, you have to remember if it is 3D or big area like this, you can use in. And it's not only that. This is, I think, the in is pretty much popular ya tadi. Miss, in bed it means you are under the blanket. You are inside the blanket. Yep. You have already got the idea, the concept of in. But this preposition at, sometimes not many people know the concept of at. At in simple way, what can you say? What do you think?
Specific.
Specific, okay. We have the word specific. At is for specific. Or it can also like this. At the traffic light. What do you think?
Right?
Di lampu
Lampu lalu lintas.
merah.
Yep, di lampu merah, di lampu lalu lintas. Or how about this?
Lampu lalu lintas.
Mhm. How about the first picture? Please
The
read the
bus
first
stop.
picture.
Specific.
Okay,
Bus
specific.
stop.
Mhm. How about number 2?
The door, because he in front of door.
Okay, great. In
Yes.
front of door. It's done. Last one.
Because he stopped on traffic light.
Okay, he stopped on traffic light. On traffic light, it means you are here.
No, on the street, waiting for green light.
Okay, great. On the street, that's correct. How about the last one?
Because he sit down on his front of her desk.
Okay, what is desk, guys?
Monitor.
Meja ya.
Table.
Yep. Desk is table. What's the difference? Ada table and then we have desk. If it is for eating, anyone want to tell?
Like job desk, Miss.
Job desk. Oh, job desk. That's job desk. Desk. Job description. Job description. It's from the word
Okay.
job description, but it sounds like job desk. How about this desk? What is the difference between desk and table?
Meja
Table
kerjanya.
Desk is box and table
For work.
general, table in eating and
Okay,
table
good.
general.
Table in eating, that's great. Table, you use table for eating, and desk for
Work.
work. Yeah. So basically, if table, we have 4 legs like this. That's table. But desk, the one that you use in the office, sometimes it doesn't look like that, right? Sometimes this, and then there is also the cover like this. Yeah, so this is desk. Yeah, where is the position of this woman with the desk?
Dekat.
Yeah, okay. Great. You can say dekat, or you can say tadi apa Anjay? With the traffic light.
Di depan meja.
Di depan, yeah, it can be dekat.
From the desk. Yeah.
Mhm. What is di depan?
In front of.
In front of. Jadi at itu we can say that it's nearby. Nearby something. Di dekat. If the position is nearby. Okay. Look at this. Nearby or in front of. Okay. That's the idea. Look at number 1 again. The bus stop. This is the bus stop, right? This is the sign. And where is the man? The man is waiting
Nearby.
nearby the sign of the
Nearby
bus
the
stop, right?
bus stop.
We cannot say in the bus stop. Why?
Because in
Because he is
beside,
not in the bus stop.
not inside.
Yeah, that's right. Not
In-
inside.
It's
It is not 3D. Yeah, it's not like 3D shape like a room. No. So yeah, therefore, if there is no 3D room, it's just like open shuttle bus. You use at. Okay. Where is mom? Mom is
Nearby.
Nearby door.
yeah, or it's at the door.
At the door.
Normally we say at the door. The meaning is near the door.
Near.
Yeah.
In front of the door.
Or in
nearby door.
front of. Don't die.
Door, tire.
Copy that.
Door. Okay.
Yoi.
That's the concept I need to tell to you. Okay, now I want you to read the example. Rizka. The sentence. Please read the sentence.
There's somebody at the bus stop at the door.
The meaning is?
Ada seseorang di halte bus or di depan pintu.
Okay, great. Di pintu. If you translate it, you can just translate it di. But the concept here, so don't confuse the meaning like di mean in front of. No, it's actually, different. But yeah, just use di. Yeah, that's correct. Thank you. Now, the second sentence. Still. Rizka.
The car is waiting at the traffic light.
What does it mean?
Mobil sedang menunggu di lampu lalu lintas.
Oke, mobilnya sedang menunggu di lampu lalu lintas. That's correct. The third one, please read. Anasya. Anasya is here now. Hello, Anasya.
Miss.
Have you done with your class?
Yes, I have done my class, Miss.
Do you still have energy left for this class?
I have more energy, Miss,
Oh,
every day.
ooh, that's great. Okay, please read sentence number 3.
Okay, Miss. Vicky is working at her desk. Meaning is Vicky bekerja di mejanya.
Okay, great. Vicky, what is working?
I think sedang
Iya,
atau sedang bekerja
ya sedang bekerja di
mejanya.
Oke, mejanya. That's great. Vicky sedang bekerja di mejanya. Yep, you can use at her desk. Not on her desk. What does it mean if Vicky is working on her desk? What is that?
Di atas mejanya.
Yeah, Vicky is sitting on her desk, it means. Yeah, that's the power of preposition. You can use at if you want to say that kind of sentence, okay? And we also have this on the page. You can say at the top, at the bottom, or at the end of. Faisal, please read the example.
Write your name at the top of the page.
What does it mean?
Tulis namamu di atas halaman itu.
Oke, di atas
halaman tersebut.
Iya, di atas halaman tersebut. Okay, that's great. The last one?
My house is at the end of the street.
Okay, my house is at the end of the
street.
What does it mean, my house?
Rumah saya ada di ujung jalan.
Okay, good. Rumah saya, rumahku ada di ujung jalan. That's great. So we have this long street and specifically you are here. Your house is here at the end of the street. So if it is part of something, part of the page, di bagian mana di halaman ini, part of this page or part of the street, you use at, okay? Okay, let's see what's next. So you understand at we can use for, what is it? The meaning? It can be nearby or apa anjay? Nearby or in front?
In front
In
of.
front.
In front of.
Yeah. Oh. Okay. Let's see. This is the last one. We have on. Basically on is when it stick to some surface. What is surface, guys?
Permukaan.
Permukaan. Good job. So when it stick something stick on a surface. The basic concept is this, okay? Something stick on a surface. Like, please read. Who hasn't read? Faisal dan Samuel, Lily, Nabila. Whoa, Ojan.
Yang mana, Miss?
This.
Oh. On a shelf, on a plate, on a balcony, on the floor.
Okay, let's check the concept. What is shelf?
Di rak.
Yep, rak. If you put something,
Rak.
yeah, rak ya. Rak. If you put something on the shelf, does it stick on the surface?
Yes, it does.
Yes, it stick. It
Yes.
does stick on the surface of the shelf, right? How about plate? What is on the plate?
Piring, piring.
Piring.
Piring. How about on the balcony?
Balkon,
Balkon.
balkon. Di
Balcon. What
balkon.
is balcon?
Like ya like that lah.
Parkiran
Teras.
bukan sih? Teras.
What was that? Balcon, brother.
Okay,
What
yep,
was that?
Patio
Balcon.
in patio in
patio.
Multiple
patio in
building.
second floor or three
Okay.
floor.
Okay, yep, it's like in
Look view.
yeah, you need to look at view from height, from second floor, from the third floor. There is this
Oh,
place.
balcony.
The top of building maybe.
Yeah, it's just on top building. If it is just regular one floor house, you don't have balcony. It is just terrace, right? So yeah, you can stand here and look at the sunset. Yep, so we have surface here. So we say on the balcony. How about this one? On the floor?
Di lantai.
Di lantai. Yep, it also stick to the floor, right? But it's not always stick to the surface below. Sometimes it's also stick on something that is not under. Like this one, please read Samuel again.
Which one, Miss?
This one. The second concept. Samuel.
On the wall, on
Mhm.
the door, on the ceiling.
Okay, thank you. On the wall, what does it mean?
Di dinding.
Dinding.
Yeah, gecko, on the wall, you don't say in, right? Di dinding. The second one, on the door. What does it mean, Samuel, on the door?
Di pintu, Miss.
Di pintu. Last one, on the ceiling.
Di ceiling, what is the name is?
This
Di
one.
langit-langit rumah.
Yap, di langit-langit. Langit-langit rumah. That's great. On the ceiling. Where is the lamp? On the ceiling. What usually stick on the ceiling, guys? Lamp.
Some decoration.
Some decoration. What else?
Plafon.
Cicak.
Plafon. Okay, what is cicak?
AC,
Pot.
Miss.
What is cicak?
Cicak is animal.
Yup, in English, what do we say cicak? It's
Jai, help me. What?
Lizard.
Ajay.
Lizard, lizard man.
Son of crocodile, guys.
Oh, son
Lizard
of
man.
crocodile and lizard.
Lizard on the wall.
Lizard on the wall. Yeah, that's pretty similar, but we have specific name for cicak. It is
Gecko.
gecko. Yep. Gecko, the small one, tokek, you know tokek?
Yes, Miss, like
Ah,
Yeah,
Cacak brother. Cicak
yeah.
brother.
Cicak big brother.
Nah,
That is
cicak big brother.
bigger and also better decorated.
lizard
Biawak,
on the
Miss.
wall. Like
Oh my
this,
God,
Miss.
biawak. No, they cannot
Lizard
stick on the
family, guys.
wall. They cannot stick on the ceiling. So yeah, gecko. Okay, so basically it stick on something. Yeah, you use on. Let's read the example here. Muhaimin,
Yes, Miss.
please read the example. Sentence 1 and sentence 2.
There are some books on the shelf and some pictures on the wall.
Number 2.
There are a lot of apples on those trees.
On those trees. That's great. What is
Those.
the meaning number one?
Di sana ada beberapa buku di rak dan beberapa foto di dinding.
Oke, good job. Beberapa foto di dinding. Ada beberapa buku dan beberapa foto. Oke, that's great. Yep. Or you can say di atas rak. But on the wall you don't say di atas dinding ya. Okay, that's correct. How about number two? There are a lot of apples on those trees.
Di sana ada banyak apel di pohon.
There are mean ada ya. There are a lot of
Banyak
apples.
apel di
pohon itu.
Yep, di pohon
Tree.
pohon itu. Yep, those mean that, right? For a lot of, for more than one thing. You don't say that trees. If it is more than one, those trees. Pohon-pohon itu. Okay, thank you. That's great. Now the sentence 3 and 4. Please read, Nabil, Muhammad Nabil.
Yes. Don't sit on the grass, it's wet. Don't sit on the grass, it's wet.
Okay.
There is a stamp on the envelope.
Okay, good. What does it mean? Don't sit on the grass. It's wet.
Jangan duduk di rumput. It's wet. Basah.
Yeah, it's wet. What is wet?
Basah.
Yeah, okay. It's wet. Apa yang basah? What is wet?
Rumputnya.
Yeah, it's wet. The grass is wet, right? Okay, just basah. Okay, great. How about the third one? Guys, do you know stamp, mail, envelope?
Franco.
Do you live on that era?
Perangko.
Perangko.
Oh.
Are you familiar
Perangko,
with stamp and envelopes?
Yes.
Oh, really?
I think I'm very old.
No, miss.
Yeah, oh my God, I used stamp a lot when I was junior high school, I guess, but I don't think now a lot of people today's generation knows about stamp. But yeah, in the past it's very popular. There is
Like
a
sticker.
stamp. Yeah, it looks like sticker, but it doesn't have any adhesive thing. You need some glue to put it on the envelope. Manually put glue and then plop.
My mom yesterday buy rice only.
Your
Important
mom?
stick. Yes, without glue, miss. When I
Just like
was
this.
elementary
Just
school.
with
Yes.
rice now.
White rice, miss. Without glue.
Oh, yeah. I did that too. Oh my God, you
Can use this like this, miss. Tah.
Yeah, sometimes it happen. You can do anything as long as you can stick that stamp on the envelope. There is no rice, there is no glue. Okay, just use whatever it takes. Okay, so there is a stamp on the envelope, mean it's on the surface on the envelope, yeah. And also we use on for what is this?
Riding.
Kuda.
Di atas kuda, di atas
Riding.
sepeda,
Di atas sepeda,
Yes.
di
di atas
atas
motor.
sepeda motor.
Riding the things.
Yeah.
Sit on the thing.
Yep, something that you sit on, something that you ride on. You say on the bike. How about car? Do you say on the car?
No.
No, miss.
No.
In.
In the
In
car. Yeah, but how about the motorcycle?
No, Miss.
On or in?
motorcycle.
What if I on Wahyu,
On,
Miss?
Miss. Because we ride it. Ride the motorcycle.
Yeah, you ride a motorcycle, so you say on because on mean di atas, right?
Riding on Ozan.
Waduh, no.
Aduh.
That's fighting. Okay, let's
Jamie,
check
don't
your
tell Jamie.
understanding. Let's make a sentence. I want you to make a sentence. Number 1. Wahyu. Ozan dan ya. Anasya, number 1, Anasya.
Okay, Miss. Number 1,
Okay, make a sentence.
making an example, Miss.
Yes, make a sentence. Anything, just like
Okay.
picture.
I'm cooking in the kitchen.
Okay, yep,
Or-
I am cooking in the kitchen. That's correct. Or
Okay, Miss. Thank
you
you.
want to say other?
Or make 2 sentence or
At the
just
kitchen.
one? At the kitchen.
Okay, yeah, just one sentence actually. Wait, can we say at the kitchen?
In the
Um,
kitchen.
I think no, because
No.
kitchen is like this area.
It's a room, yeah. Kitchen, the room in the house we use in because it is 3 dimension. Okay, thank you very much. Now, Rizkia, please make sentence from number 2.
Yes, Miss. The shoes are in the books.
Okay, good job. Those shoes are
In the books.
in the books or in the box?
In the box, Miss.
Okay, in the box. Okay, that's correct. Thank you. How about Anissa number 3?
There is a pen on the box.
Okay, good job. The pen is on the box, yeah, not in. That's correct. Number 4, Paisa. Faisal, are you there?
Okay, Miss. I'm here. I'm here.
Yeah, Faisal, where is the clock?
The green clock is on the wall.
On the wall, that's correct. Number 5, Samuel. Where is the bus?
At the bus stop.
At the bus stop, that's correct. The bus is at the bus stop. Number 6, Lily. Where are the horses?
In the field.
In the field, that's correct.
Yeah.
Yep, that's correct. Then this one, balcony. Where are the people, Sandy?
They are standing on balcony.
They are standing
On balcony.
on the balcony. Yep, that's correct. Anita, please do number 8. Where is the woman?
This woman swimming in the pool.
In the pool. Okay, that's the basic idea. Okay, guys, I will have some game on the word wall here. We will repeat for sometimes. I want you to answer this. I will give some point if you answer it correctly. Please say the bell, which is your name, before you answer the question. Okay? For example, Anissa know the answer. Nisa. Or Nabila know the answer. Bila. For example. Okay? Bila on, for example. Or Nisa at. Or Paisal in, for example. Okay? Name and then you can say the answer. Okay? Ready?
Okay. Ready, Miss.
Ready, Miss.
At the
Samuel,
park,
Lily, in.
in the
Sandy at
Nisa.
In the park.
Okay, Nisa in. Let's see. Yeah, that's correct, Nisa. Next.
Ichal, no the answer, Ichal,
In the garden. In the garden.
Oh, Ichal,
Answer
what
the
is the
question,
answer,
Ichal.
Ichal?
Ichal.
What is the answer, Ichal?
In the garden.
In the garden.
Okay, in the garden,
In the
that's correct,
garden.
Ichal. Next.
Ichal is the best case ya.
Sandi,
Ojan, Ojan.
Whoa, Sandi.
In the
Sandi.
university.
Sandi, come on.
Zaini.
At university.
Sandi or
At
Zaini?
university.
Who is it?
At
Sandi. Okay, Sandi. At
In the
the
university.
university.
good, Sandi. Next.
Ojan.
At the bus.
No, Ojan, but some
At
it's the girl who
bus
said that.
stop.
Okay, yep, at the bus stop. Next.
On the wall.
Who's answering that? Who answered that?
Minis.
Ancai.
Okay, on the wall.
On the wall,
Anjay.
guys.
Okay.
On the wall, guys.
Next.
My man.
At.
Who's that? I mean, yeah, that's
Yeah.
correct. At.
On. Is that right?
Jenny.
Nisa.
Jenny.
So which one is that? Okay. Yeah, that's correct, Zaini. This is the last one.
Okay.
Nabila.
Okay, Nabila.
Homework sitting on
Nabila, what
his
is Nabila, what is the answer?
at Miss.
At.
Under.
Okay, yep, that's correct. Okay, that's all
complete,
for
guys.
8 sentences.
We have a good team, guys.
You have a good team. You throw to each other's answer.
We have
Okay.
a good team, guys.
Yeah, thank you very much for your participation. Okay, so basically that's the concept you need to understand because in the next explanation I'm going to tell you, it's just there is a slightly different or give more specific information. Like, for example, this one. We still talk about in, on, at with place, but that it tends to be something fixed. Okay? Some of them you have already familiar with, like this. In bed, let's read together. No. Rizkia, please read Rizkia. What is this? We usually use in for this place or this noun, okay? Please read Rizkia.
In bed,
Mhm.
in hospital,
Mhm.
in the sky,
Yep.
in the wood,
Yep.
in a newspaper, in a book,
Mhm.
in a photograph, in a picture,
Mhm.
in a car, in a taxi, in the middle of.
Okay. So these are like something fixed. Oh yeah, there's also one more information, guys. If you say I am in hospital, it means, what does it mean? I am in hospital.
Inside the hospital.
Yes, it means you're inside the hospital and you are hospitalized. What is hospitalized? You are sick. You are sick. I am in hospital. But if you want to visit your relatives or your friend who is hospitalized, you can say I am at the hospital. I'm at hospital. So you can say this. The difference is whether you are sick or not. If you are not sick, but you are nearby the hospital, you say, I am at the hospital. But if you are sick, you are inside the room, you are hospitalized, you say, I am in the hospital. Okay? And also, at usually come before this noun. Please read Ozan.
At home, at work, and at school, at university, at college, at the station, at the airport, at Lisa's house,
Mhm.
at my sister's house, at the doctors, at the hairdressers, at a concert,
Mhm.
concert, at a party, at a football match.
Okay, thank you very much. What does it mean? At Lisa's.
Rumah Lisa.
Yeah, so
Rumah
if
Lisa.
you don't mention the house, you can just say the name of the owner. Where are you? Faisal, where are you? I am at Zainis. You can say that. I am at Faisal's.
Zainis.
Yeah, it means you are in
Zainisme.
Zainis' house. What's that?
You are Zainisme? Zionis?
What's it? Okay.
I kill you.
Yeah. Aduh, Zainis Zionis is pretty close. So yeah, you can say, you can just use apostrophe S to show someone's house, okay? At the concert,
Sandi's.
party, and at a football. Yeah, at Sandi's, at
Sandi's.
Nabila's, at Anita's, at Samuel's, at Nabila's, at Bilas,
At Anchayas.
at Anchais.
What, Miss? Bilas?
Bilas.
Bilas.
Washing.
Clothes?
Yes, bilas, guys.
Okay, one more. And for in case of building, it is possible to use both, okay? Just like the hospital, it is possible to use in the hospital, at the hospital. What else? Building. Hospital, hotel, restaurant,
Bank.
school, right?
Factory, factory, miss.
Office. Office.
Maybe
Office, factory, company.
Specific.
Company, yeah.
Yeah, company. Yep. Okay, yes, you have to remember those above. Please tell me what is number one.
In.
You look
In the
at
picture.
in the picture, that's correct. Number two, at work, that's correct. Number three,
In.
At work.
In.
yep,
In a
in hospital because David's father is ill. Good. Number four,
In.
in your car, that's
In.
correct. Yep,
In.
that's correct. Number five,
In.
On.
In the
At the
sky.
sky.
In the sky at
In the
In,
sky.
in,
at the
in,
night.
yeah,
ending, miss.
in
In.
the sky, that's
Oh, in the
correct.
In
sky.
the sky.
Number six,
at
At
University.
at
university.
university. Yep, you still
At
remember.
the University of Australia.
Yeah.
Doctors.
Tom,
Melbourne
At the
University.
doctors.
At
doctor.
the doctor.
Doctor's
Okay, that's correct.
doctor's home.
At the doctor's home. You come to the doctor. Oh, okay. One more on. It's still similar. It's on surface, but we also have this additional. If car, this is the difference, okay? If the car, you use in, but bus, you use on. Just like the song. Do you know this kids song?
Because
Mhm.
the wheels on the bus go
Because
round.
bus is
Ah, that one. The wheel on the bus goes round and round, okay? So bus and car, they have different preposition. The wheel on the bus, not in the bus, go round and round. So whenever you use or mention public transportation, you use on, not in. For example, this one. Please read Anasha,
Which sentence, Miss?
this box. The use of on.
On a bus, on a train, on a plane, on a ship, on the ground floor, on the first floor, on the way to, on the way home.
Okay, that's the 3 common collocation. So it's like the pair. What is pair?
Pasangan.
Pasangan, yeah. The pair. So the pair on always plus public transportation.
Taxi public transportation, Miss, but use in.
Yeah, but taxi look like a car, right?
Thank you.
Okay, so if it is mass transportation, when more than 5 or more than 10 people can go inside, you can use on. Taxi only 1, 2, 3. It's like a personal, private transportation. Yeah, so it's in. And also, on usually come with the building floor. First floor, second floor. Where is your office? In that building on the second floor. You can say that. And also on the way home, on the way to school, for example. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, on. Any question?
I never believed that my friend tell me on the way.
Yeah.
Okay, if your friend say on the way, it means what do you think?
He's still in
He
the bed.
just
On the
woke
bed.
up
On the bed.
on his bed, Miss.
Or
Yes.
taking
He's still in the
shower
bed, guys.
from in home.
The bedroom for
Lie.
Still in his dream, guys.
Yeah, but that's sometimes true. Like they are on the way to the bathroom.
Nah, that's true, Miss.
Yeah, on the way from my room to the bathroom or to the kitchen to the terrace. Yeah, on the way is pretty deceiving, yeah. Menipu, deceiving. Okay, that's all you need to know. Let's remind ourselves. What is number 1?
On.
On.
That's correct. Number 2?
On.
On. Number 3?
Also.
On.
Okay, on. Now let's make a. I want you to write on the screen. What is number 2? Let's just do until 10, okay? I don't think we have enough time. What do you think number 2? Who want to try to answer this? Please write
In?
on the screen.
I think Miss.
In. There was a big table in the middle of the room. Okay. Yep,
In the middle of the room.
That's correct. Pretty much correct. Number 3.
In? In the world.
In the world. Yep, that's correct. In the world. Number 4.
On.
At the concert.
Yeah, at the concert. Yep, that's at the concert. Alhamdulillah, bless you. Okay, number 5.
Will be you at home?
At home tomorrow.
home.
At home.
No.
Yep. That's
In
correct.
home? On home?
6.
And on the photo.
Yeah, who is the man? This
In?
photo.
In
Yeah,
In
photo.
Photo.
Just like picture.
photo.
That's correct.
Picture.
7. Where
At
are your
school.
children?
At school.
At school.
Okay, yep, that's at school. Number 8.
At the
Station.
station.
Yep,
Station.
correct. At the station.
At the station.
That's correct. Number 9.
In
At
hospital.
hospital.
Yeah, Charlie is in hospital. That's good. 10.
In this book.
In this book.
How many pages are there?
In this book.
In this book.
Okay, the pages are on this book or in this book. In this book. Yeah, yep. In this book. That's correct. Okay, that's all, I guess. We will go and move on to the next page. I will discuss a little bit about this one. So there are some verbs that indicate a place. You will mention a place if you use this verb. Can you guess what verb related to place? The verb, it's
Go.
Go, yep, go. What preposition do we need if we use go?
To. Place.
Yeah. To, yep, go to
Come,
and the name of a
return.
place, right? Yep, that's correct. What else?
Come.
Come,
Restart.
yep. Come,
Walk.
return,
Stay.
stay, yeah, stay. Hotel, stay. Nabila's house. We need preposition in that.
Leave.
Please.
Leave.
Oh, leave. Okay, I leave the town. Yep. So some verb, they require place. So some of them need preposition. If the verb is moving from one place to another place, you can use the preposition to. But if the verb happen within an area, it doesn't move outside this area, you can use preposition in. It's like this, to London, in London. Let's try. What do you think? Number 1.
Go. To
London. To London.
To London. That's correct. To or in, okay? Yep. Now Anissa dan Muhaimin, please read the second sentence. Piccadilly Circus. Muhaimin, what are you doing? What do you think, Muhaimin? Is it to, moving, or in? It's a name of a place, okay? This is a name of a place. Why do you make that face, Muhaimin? Piccadilly Circus is London.
In London.
Yeah, is in London because Piccadilly is a name of something and it doesn't move, yeah. Yeah, Piccadilly Circus is in London. That's correct. Nabila, number 3.
Sorry, Mas, before I don't open my mic.
Oh, you're saying that. Yeah, therefore. Okay, it's okay. Number 3, Nabila.
The main shops are in the center of town.
In the center of the town. That's correct. What is in the center of the town?
Di pusat kota, di tengah-tengah kota.
Ya, di pusat kota or di tengah kota. That's good. Number 4. Bila. Nabila.
Already.
Me again.
Sorry. Lida, Lily.
We walk from my house to the center of town.
Okay, good. To the center of town because move. Okay, that's good. Anchai.
Okay, what time do you go to bed?
What time do you go to bed? That's correct. How about this one, the last one, Zaini? Zaini, the last one, please.
I like reading. Book.
After bed.
After bed. Thank you.
After
In
No,
the
no,
bed.
no, 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 no.
Bed.
In
In the
In
bed.
Bed, miss, in bed. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Answer
After
aja.
bed, what is that?
Ngopi dulu, ngopi.
Yeah, so
No problem,
I like
brother.
reading in bed. Okay, guys, so that's the idea of in and to, yeah. And let's move on. Next, we also have this at. At or in, okay? Sorry, to or at.
To the airport.
What is this? Number one.
To.
Anyone want to try? To.
To.
Okay, the
Is
bus is
to.
going
To
to the airport.
airport.
That's correct. Number two.
At.
Yeah.
In or at?
Number two
In the
is
Oh ya ada in.
Is
The
wait,
airport.
the airport. We don't use in.
The
in
bus
the
is
airport.
at the airport.
Is at the airport. That's correct. Number three.
To. Lauren didn't go
Didn't go to
to
work yesterday. That's correct. And the last one.
At work
I
yesterday.
wasn't at work
work.
yesterday. Yep, that's how you. So see, it
Alright, guys.
is it moving or not? If it is not moving, so you use at. Any questions so far?
So far, so good, miss.
So far so good. No far no good.
Yes.
Okay, Prabowo number 2. Okay, and we have get to
Place.
place.
How
Get
did you get
to mean, how do
to
you
the
get
hotel?
to this? It means how you travel from this place to that place. Okay, get to place. Let's read the sentence. What time?
Did you get to
the hotel.
What
the
time did you get to the hotel? What does it mean?
Jam
The
berapa
hotel.
di hotel?
Ya, jam berapa?
Kamu sampai di hotel?
Kamu sampai
Kamu
di
sampai.
hotel. Ya, so get to mean sampai ya. What time did you get to the hotel?
Alright.
Number next. How about this?
What time did you get to Paris?
What time did you get to Paris? What does it mean? What time did you get to Paris?
Kapan kamu
Jam berapa kamu sampai Paris? Sampai di Paris.
Jam berapa kamu
Paris.
sampai Paris? Oke.
Jam berapa ya?
Nabila is studying with her
Berapa?
friend, ya.
Berapa jam?
Iya, oke. Ya, berapa? What time itu berapa jam atau jam berapa?
Jam berapa?
Jam berapa?
Berapa jam?
Okay, so get to you can
Jam
say
berapa?
sampai ya. And we have arrived in.
In.
Arrive at. It will be different. You have to focus on the place. If the place is the concept like the area, so you use in. But if the place like a station, work, you use at. It will depend on the place. Arrive can be in, can be at, okay? But get always with to. Let's see, what is this? They arrive
In
this
in
country.
this country, not
In this
to this
country.
country, not at this country. That's correct. Next.
At work.
Yeah,
At
at work.
work, yep.
Time you arrive work.
At
Okay.
the
At
station.
you will arrive at the
At the
station
station.
soon.
At the station soon. That's good. Next.
the
In
station.
Italy. In
We
Italy.
arrive in Italy
And
last
actually,
Wednesday. Okay, that's
yes,
correct.
Wednesday.
How about this?
At home.
Home.
At home.
I arrive.
At
At
home.
home.
Okay.
At home.
Actually, home is special, guys. Most
At home.
verb go without preposition if the place is home. Different with house, yeah. Remember we have discussed about house. Now we discuss about home. Home, you don't need preposition. So like this, please read, Paisa. What is this? Get home. No, we cannot hear you. Get home and arrive home. So arrive home, get home, you don't need preposition. And also this one.
Go.
This, yep. Go.
Ya, itu your charger. Ini nih.
Okay, Anita, please read this one, Anita.
Yes, Miss. Yang mana?
This one. Go home.
Oh,
The red box.
the red book.
This one, Anita.
Yes, Miss. Yang mana, Miss?
This one.
Kelihatan nih.
Go work
Laptopku,
dulu.
laptopku,
home.
Cok. Laptopku, Cok. Laptopku bermasalah, Cok.
Okay, are you using your phone? This one, Anita. Nah.
Get home,
Hmm.
arrive home. Terus nggak kelihatan lagi ke bawah.
Waduh, oh.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so we have go home.
Go, walk,
Mhm.
or come, plus home, stay,
And last one.
stay, work at home.
Okay, so if it is stay, you use at.
Yeah.
Stay at home, work at home. Can you make a sentence? Samuel, make a sentence. Stay at home.
I need to stay at home because I get COVID.
Because I got COVID. Okay, that's great. How about work at home, Nabil?
What,
Nabil,
Miss?
make a sentence from work at home.
I work in my home.
You may make a sentence.
I don't know, Miss. Help me.
Help Aisa, help Nabil. Anyone? Make a sentence using work at home.
I'm working at home.
I work at home during
during.
Work from home.
Okay, good. During COVID era, I work at home during COVID era. Or I like to work at home because I can spend more time with my family, for example. Yep. Okay, that's great.
My
What
friend
about
is
for plus
introvert,
English?
so he always at home.
Yeah?
My friend is introvert, so he always at home.
He
He's
always
always at home.
stay at home.
He stay
Yes,
at
he
home.
always stay at home. Okay, yep. Okay, maybe that's good. It can be possible. What else? Any other sentence you want to make? No, okay. Let's move on. I think I have. Oh yeah, it's go home, arrive home. No need preposition, yeah. This one, stay at home, work at home. Only stay and work. You need at. But the rest, walk home, go home, come home, arrive home, get home. You don't need because home is special. Any question, guys? No, so far so good. Do you think it's easy, today's material?
No. Insya Allah fun.
Insya Allah fun. Insya- You see fun.
Mantap. Good, guys ya.
Okay, you can understand it well, means that's great. I still have 2 more practice. Let's see. And it's from the practice in the form. Later you can do the G form, okay? Let's see. What is this? Number 2. We're going blah, blah, blah. Italy next month.
Two.
To Italy
Number
next
3.
month.
That's correct.
To Ellie.
In
To
Italy next month.
In Italy at the
Next.
which one? Number 3.
Go
In
to.
Italy at the moment.
Moment.
At the moment. What is at the moment? Still
In.
remember?
Bisa
Dalam waktu.
At that time. At that time.
Saat momen
At
itu.
that time.
the moment.
I am hungry at the moment.
Saat ini.
Now, yeah.
now.
Sekarang, right now, at the
Right
moment.
now.
It's so
Right
long,
now.
yeah.
This ya.
And miss, now is so short, but the other word for now is so long, at the moment. But yeah, at the moment now. That's good. Number 4.
I have
Go to
the
hospital.
tomorrow.
Go to the hospital tomorrow. Okay, that's correct. How about this? No. Yeah. The last one. Let's see. Paula didn't go to work. I'm tired. I'm going home without preposition. Number 3. Tina.
To the doctor.
Go to the doctor. That's correct. Number 4.
At
To
Come to
Come
on the
to a
Saturday.
party on Saturday. That's good. What? Number 5.
Is Lisa
At
at
home.
home? No, she gone.
go to work. To work.
Is Lisa at home?
To
No, she has gone
No.
to work.
To
Yes,
work.
that's
Gone
correct.
to work.
How about 6?
At the football match.
At the football match. Yep. Match at. And 7.
To home.
At
To
home.
no. Without.
last night.
To
Go home
early
directly.
last
Why
night.
do you go to
No
home?
preposition. No preposition.
Okay, go.
Preposition.
So at the
Yeah, remember, go home. Let's go home together. You don't need preposition. That's good. Last one.
At
To
at
to the other side.
to the
Okay.
swim to
the other side.
To the other side.
To the other side.
Other side. Okay. That's all about today material. Please challenge yourself in the G form, and also don't forget the, what do you have that? Duolingo, okay? If you practice more, you will remember more this. Tina is not well. She has gone to
Okay.
the doctor. Would you like to come to a party on Saturday? What does it mean, number 3, guys? Tina is not well. She has gone to the doctor.
Tina tidak baik.
Tina
sedang tidak sehat.
Sedang tidak sehat.
Dia pergi ke
Dia
dokter.
pergi ke dokter
Dia
hewan.
Dia pergi ke dokter.
Dia pergi ke dokter hewan.
Dokter hewan.
Sedang tidak sehat ya. Atau tidak baik. She has gone. What is that?
Dia telah
pergi.
Ya, telah
Dia telah pergi
ke dokter. It means there
in
is
the event.
there is the effort. Ada usahanya. After not feeling well, gone to the doctor. Okay, that's correct. Number 4. How about number 4?
to
Yeah, what does it mean? Would you like to come to a party?
Apa kamu suka datang ke pantai?
Yes.
Mau
I like that.
Yes,
Yeah,
come on.
I like
Okay,
dugem-dugem
let's
party.
see. Waduh, dugem-dugem. What is would like?
Kamu mau nggak?
Maukah kamu?
Apa? Apakah
Mau,
kamu
Yep.
mau.
Would like mean want, ya. So would
Would
like
like.
doesn't mean like, bukan artinya bukan suka, but want. So would you like to come means apakah kamu
Yes, miss. I
ingin
would like to come to a
Mau.
party on Saturday.
datang?
Let's go.
Oke, Samuel. Let's go.
Ajuk, ajuk, ajuk.
Pesta.
Let's go, let's go.
Waduh. Iya, uh that's the meaning.
Urgent.
Okay, guys, I think
Apa aja?
that's the end of our practice of the day. So, is there any question about this? If you understand the basic concept, do you think it helps you to decide whether you use in, on, or at?
Enough, Miss.
Enough. So yeah, do you think it helps if you understand the concept? Does it help? Menolong nggak?
And
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Yes.
Very
Yes.
help me, miss.
helpful.
Thank you
Very
very
happy.
much.
yeah, I hope you can remember that longer. And yeah. Thank you very much for today. I want you to focus on what you want to improve because what you focus on will grow. Thank you, everyone. See you later. See you tomorrow. And don't forget your, what is it? Task, yeah,
Good.
your assignment.
Duolingo and grammar quiz.
Okay, thank
Yeah,
you very
grammar
much,
quiz.
Miss
Okay, thank you
Vivi,
very much,
Thank
for
you.
everyone.
today.
Bye-bye. Have a nice
Bye.
day.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, everyone.
Arigato
Don't
gozaimashita.
forget.
Arigato, arigato.
Okay.
Arigato, arigato.
Bye-bye, Anasha. Bye-bye, Nabila.
Arigato,
Bye-bye,
arigato.
Sandy.
Wait,
Bye.
Miss.
Gato, 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 gato.
Bye,
What?
Ojan. Bye, Zaini. Bye,
Okay,
Gato, gato,
thank
Mahini.
you. I'll close this meeting.
Nggih,
Bye, all of you.
nggih, nggih, nggih.
Stand back.